Okay, there is this Payne Teardrop central air conditioner that I just got starting up. This particular unit has a Bristol reciprocating compressor. It's got a really rusty GE motor. That thing is working very nice. Just like any R22 unit should. And unfortunately the data sheet is mostly gone. I do remember it though. It's a 2.5 ton from 2005. Maybe a 2 ton, but I know it's from 2005 for sure. And then over here we have a Gibson. This one's a heat pump. Has not been running. So, yeah.